Hi everyone, English version, and if you want to see the Chinese version, you can go to Bilibili. And at first, I need to say sorry about my bad English, but I will try to explain the process of how to figure out these questions. So all the questions are from university admission tests, and if you want to prepare for it, welcome to watch this video. And now let's just have a look at the first question. As we can see, we need to find the unit digital of this number, and as we know, like if we have 5 factorial, so it contains 2 and 5, and if 6, it also contains these 2 factors. So we need only to consider 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and also add them into the power of 4. So their unit digit is 1, 6, 6, and 6. And we get the unit digit again, that is 9. So we choose E for this question. And let's have a look at the second question. It says we need to find the possible triangles in such a grid, and we can just simply find 16, choose 3. That means we choose randomly 3 points in these 16 points, and maybe possibly they will form a triangle such as this. And as we can see, there are some points that cannot form a triangle like this. We need minus them. And how to calculate them, like we have like this one, and we have 4 in, like we can choose these 3, or so there are 4 possible situations, and 4, 4, 4, 4. And in this direction, we have also 16 ways. And in this direction, we have 4. And on these 2 lines, only 1. And also 1, 4, and 1. Seems very messy, but we just minus 16 times 2 and then minus 12, and the answer will be 516, and we find the answer. Now go to the third question. I will rub something out. The third question is very easy, so we first draw the shape of it. Why I draw it like that? Because we only need this. This is 1, and this is 30 degrees, and this is also 1. This is also 1. So we just calculate this triangle's area and then times 12. So the answer is 12 times 1 and sine 30 degree, and then times 1/2 because this is a triangle. So the answer will be 3. And yeah, it's E. Then we go to the fourth question. And it's a not very easy question because someone will make some mistake when doing this question. Let us draw the diagram. So first we draw this curve, y equals e to the power of x. And I think it's easy. And we first to draw e to the negative e to the power of x. And then we move one upward like this. And this is the graph of y equals 1 minus e to the power of x. And this is y, so here is the area we need to calculate. And we need to use integral. We need to find this point. This point is ln 1/2, or you can write it as ln 2, minus ln 2, and we can calculate like this. We first find area of this yellow region, and the answer will be 1/2. So means the area of the yellow region is 1/2, and then we find the total area of this squared, and this is 1. At this point, this is 1. So the total area in the blue region is 1/2 plus 1/2 and minus ln 2. And it's 1 minus ln 2. And in the answer, we can find it's just like this. Also, it can be written as 1 plus ln 1/2. And for the fifth question, we just sub 1337 in the function, like f1337 equals to f1335 plus 2, and 1335 equals 1334 minus 1, 3 minus 1, and here is 1 plus 2. So, as we can see, we have 1337 to 1331, and the number of the of it plus 2, because they cancel out. So whenever the number in it minus 6, the value of it plus 2. So we just divide them by 6, and the answer should be like this. So F1337 should equals to 220 times 2, and also we need a F5, and we still put F5 in this process, like 5 equals 3, and this is 3, this is 2, this is 2, this is 1. And as the question said, sorry, there is something more. As the question said, F1 equals 0. So this is 0, and F5 should be 0. So this is 0, and the answer should be 444. Here, we find the answer. And I will rub this out and explain the final question. Question 6. It says two players are playing a dice or two dice. We need a form like this. We use this form to show the possibility that player B will dice, such as the first dice of player B can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the second dice of him could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we calculate the total possible situations that player A will win. So in this grid, we can find 6 possible situations that all of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that player A dies, he will win. And in these 3 squares, he have 5 chances to win, and so do in the other squares. And now we can calculate the total number of situations that player A will win, and we can use 1 to minus it to find the final possibility. And I calculate them for you. They are 6 plus 15, 20, 21, 18, and 11. And the final answer is 125 over 216. And the answer is D. And this is the explanation of all these questions. Thank you for your watching.